Well, hello. I told you that I'd cut open a couple of tomatoes for you. I'm actually interested to see what they look like on the inside. And these ones here, I got to looking at them and they're just not quite ripe enough. But see, they have a nice shape, they have a nice color. They're doing rather well. All of them are doing rather well. You can see it's gotten much, much greener. So I went ahead and pulled the ones that I could so we can go ahead and take a little taste test. These are the ones that I got. Of course, the little ones we're not going to bother with, but we're going to go try them. Okay, well, hopefully you can hear me. And obviously these are too small. And see, look, I wasn't giving them enough water. It's one or the other with me, really. And some of them, well, let's just start slicing. See if it seems a little hard. Yeah, it had a little bit longer to go, but I wanted to see the inside of the tomato itself. These ones I'm not eating because they didn't get enough water. But that's not bad. That is not bad. This one's not quite ripe. I'm going to let it sit a little bit longer, but this one is my ripest one. So, let's see. Sorry, my table is all filled up. Oh, that is lovely. I like that. I like that. That is nice. Tell me, who has a tomato plant grown in the house? Anyway, let me taste it. No, you can't see. Oh, definitely. Definitely. A very deep, rich flavor. I like that. Okay, just a quick video. I just wanted to show you what they look like. They really do grow on the inside of the house, and they really do taste fantastic. I'll talk to you later. You have yourselves a wonderful day, and I will as well. I'll see you soon. Bye.